FX Morning Mayhem podcast is an essential listen for currency traders. Each episode covers a curated watch list of key currency pairs alongside insightful market observations. It highlights crucial daily news events that could influence the market, ensuring traders are well informed. Additionally, the podcast offers valuable trading strategy tips, catering to both new and experienced traders in the Forex market. This podcast is for educational purposes only. None of this info should be construed as investment advice. To see the trades called out live for free on our Slack channel, click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join the trade faction. If you find this podcast valuable, please follow and share with a friend. And now, on with the show.
Basically, everything that has USD in it got whacked. And I'll explain why when we get to the market sentiment section. There we go. All right. So we are Aussie New Zealand Dollar in an uptrend. We are not in the zone, but we are in a long phase. So we will be eventually looking for longs. This actually fired last night at about, I don't remember when. What does it say here? At 15 minutes past midnight. If you had been up then, which I wasn't, this actually was a good trade. It was a freaking picture perfect trade. It started here and if you had taken your profits here at the highs, you would have made money. I did not do that. This is the Aussie dollar, US dollar. We're in an uptrend here. We are in the zone, but and we were looking for longs, but we don't have any kind of signal here, so nothing to do here. Euro, Canadian dollar. This is in the zone, downward trend, short wave phase. So we're looking for a short setup, but we don't have a sweet spot yet. So we'll wait on that one. This is the pound Canadian dollar, downtrend and short wave phase. So we're looking for shorts, but it's not in the zone, so nothing to do there. New Zealand US dollar. We are in an uptrend. We are in the zone, waiting for a long setup, but nothing to do there right now. Singapore dollar, Swissy franc, and barely in an uptrend, not in the zone, long wave phase. So we're looking for longs, but nothing to do there. I did do this trade last night, but I got stopped out of it. USD Chief. This is barely in an uptrend, long wave phase, but not in the zone, so nothing to do. So whole lot of nothing on the instruments today. As far as news is concerned, the only thing we have is a final services PMI number at 845. And I set an alert for that. So on to the market sentiment portion of the podcast. As I said, everything that had USD in it got whacked last night. Do you know why, Dave? It's narrowing of Trump's tariffs.
Oh! Yeah, I woke up to that alert and was not able to.
Yeah, dollar tumbles after WAPO says Trump aides mulling dialing back on universal tariff. Aides are still discussing plans to impose import duties on goods from every country, but rather than apply tariffs to all imports, certain sectors deemed national security have been the focus as opposed to across the board. So it's more like Tariffs Lite. No decisions have been finalized, so this is all...
It's a tweet went wrong.
So that's what whacked everything up today. And it's saying it has a huge impact on the currency market, which is true. You can see just by some of the
40 pips. Easy.
That was a big move. Thank God I got out of that.
Yeah. At least you did. I'm waterfalling my ass.
I think if you waterfall out, you'd probably still be okay.
All right. I'm already there. I'm waiting for it to come down.
Yeah, at least you can get to break even. Yeah, for the most part, I think the only ones literally that didn't get touched are the ones that don't have US in them. Anything US is like way whacked.
Yeah, I know. I looked at that and just went, and it wasn't on any of the news feeds, and it took me a minute because all of my alerts went off because the 40 pip jump. I'm like, get up. I'm like, okay, what the heck is London doing in the middle of my night? And I'm like, what the heck do they know? And I looked at it and just went, nothing. And then there was like one obscure note saying Trump tariffs. I'm like, on, really?
This is basically 4:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
Let's see this one.
I'm like, I guarantee. It's like, I guarantee you weren't talking to somebody and there were no tweets going on at 4:30 in the morning.
All right. Have a good week. Good luck trading.
Yeah. Thanks. Have fun.